Triggering options. If you've created an inspection and are ready to bring it to your production line, here's a few ways you can automate the image capturing process. Most machine vision applications use a photoelectric sensor to trigger inspections by informing the camera when a product is in view to be inspected. Whether you're using a Samsara brake beam or your own photoelectric sensor, you can wire your external trigger directly to your VS2 unit. In rare cases, a separate trigger option may work better for your use case. One example is to trigger inspections off of a PLC output, for example when a printer prints a label that should then be inspected. Similar to a photoelectric sensor, the PLC output can be wired directly to the VS2 unit. Another option is to forego external triggers altogether and instead use the periodic trigger available through the Samsara dashboard, which allows the user to specify the camera to take images at timed intervals. No matter which option you select for a particular use case, the Trigger tab within your program dashboard allows you to set up rules for automatically capturing new images. By default, triggers are set as manual for all programs, but you can change this to the best option for your needs. As mentioned earlier, periodic causes the camera to take images at timed intervals, and you can set this between 1 and 5 seconds. Selecting the right delay will require some adjustments to ensure that the image is placed in the center of the frame every time. External allows you to use an external device such as a photoelectric sensor or PLC output to trigger image captures. You can set the delay between the sensor trigger and when an image is captured, or set a sampling rule so that not all captured images are used. By default, images captured with triggers are added to your default program album. You can choose to save these to a new album instead.